Before you start insulating, you'll need a few things. First things first, determine the R value you want to finish with by using the aptly named International Energy Conservation Code Climate Map, or, the R value map. Greenfiber can be used over that existing pink stuff, so take the R value of old insulation into consideration when figuring out how much additional R value you'll need to install. Next, find the square footage of the area you will be insulating. This and the R value will decide how much insulation will be needed. Use the handy-dandy Greenfiber measuring tools throughout the space to mark the desired depth on the rafters. Identify your heat sources, lights, furnace flues, heating vents, chimneys, etc., and install barriers around them with at least a 3-inch clearance. Place the machine on a level surface, in the garage or outside the home. Attach one end of the hose to the machine and run the other into the attic. Open the machine slide gate 3/4 of the way, or on some machines, close the air setting about 1/4 of an inch. Now, turn on the machine. It's time to do this. One person fills the hopper with half a bag of Greenfiber at a time and adjusts the slide gate or air setting as needed. The other person starts to spray the corner furthest from the attic exit, so you don't paint yourself in the corner. Fill to the desired depth, and voila, you're finished. That's it. Now all you have to do is clean up. Get the job done right with Greenfiber. Green goes with everything.